Hello guys, today let's discuss how to claim your bills and how can you participate in BTC 1 minute up or down. So first, let's connect our wallet. So if you don't have wallet, you can sign up for it and you need a KYC verification. Then let's head to these rewards. As you can see, you can claim all this bill for free. So claim all, then claim, then wait, then as you can see, you claim it already. Then if you this is daily reward, so don't forget to claim it once per day. Then you can buy dollar bill on Forge. Also, when you are buying bills, you need to connect also the wallet. So buying bills here, just put an amount, buy billions, like let's say 1 cross, and you can get 2,271 billions. So you can buy it here. Then let's go back. If you buy already, then let's go to predict. Let's go back here in prediction. Then as you can see, if you here in dashboard of cross prediction, you can click this BTC 1 minute up or down. So the strategy, guys, you can look in this base price here in base price and the current price. So if you see that it's currently going down, you can go here down, like, so I have 10,000 bills, so let's try 10. Oh, no liquidable for market or limit order. Let's try it. Let's try next. So yan, so it's going down again, so let's bet. Buy now and buy. Okay, order submit. Then let's wait until it's down and down. Let's wait, ends in 30 seconds. You can see here the timer. So let's just wait. I hope it's going down. So let's just wait, guys. Let's do the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. We just won, guys. So here in your portfolio, you can claim your rewards that you bet. So let's redeem this. As you can see, I bet 3,000 bills, so I get 368. So let's get it, redeem. then that's all guys. You can earn free here by claiming the rewards. Then you can go and predict and get some real value. So I hope you learned something guys. Thank you for watching.